Ironclad has a number of integrations to help improve workflows in different ways. One of these integrations is with Slack, a communication platform. In this video, we'll be focusing on 4 main topics. First, we'll talk about the features and capabilities of Ironclad's integration with Slack, what it is and how to use it. Second, we'll go through how to connect Slack and Ironclad, how to customize and manage Ironclad notifications, and lastly, how to quickly launch a workflow in Slack. The integration with Slack allows stakeholders to launch workflows and review workflow details, all without leaving the Slack interface. It's a free integration that allows you to get notifications and review workflow details in a communication platform that's already a part of your workstream. Plus, it improves collaboration by allowing you and your stakeholders to get automatic notifications whenever a change is made to any contract workflows, keeping you up to date on the latest developments in your workflow, which in turn helps reduce overall contract time end to end. Please note that you must have admin access and permissions in order to connect Slack with Ironclad. In Ironclad, navigate to Company Settings, then the Integrations tab. Under Other Integrations at the bottom, we'll see a Slack tile with the opportunity to explore. Click Link Account and you'll get a pop-up notification to allow access sharing. Note, if you are not logged into Slack on your device, you will be prompted with a login screen. If you've successfully connected Slack and Ironclad, you'll be able to see that your account is connected on this page. And when we navigate to Slack, the Ironclad app should be automatically added under your apps. Workflow participants can customize and manage their notification preferences. Here, users can fine-tune the notifications they receive, allowing them control over what they're notified of. To manage these notifications, go to Company Settings and click on Notifications. Under the Slack Notifications section, there is a list of notifications that you can configure. Some of the notifications you can configure include documents updated, workflow comment added, signature request sent, signature signed, fully signed, workflow launched, and much more. Here you can decide what notifications you want to receive and which ones you don't to make sure that you get notifications on what's important to you. This will also allow you to reduce the amount of noise in your notifications as well. For this demo, we'll change the following notifications. Once you've configured your notifications, click Update. A notification will appear in the corner that your Slack settings have been updated. To show you how the notifications in Slack may appear, let's first launch a workflow. The Slack integration allows you to quickly launch a workflow directly from Slack. To do this, you can navigate to any channel or message in Slack and use the following / command. A new launch module will open and it'll show you the workflows that you have permission to launch. For this example, we're going to launch a standard NDA. The standard NDA launch form will open up in your browser. We'll quickly fill out the launch form just as you normally would. And click Submit. Once you submit the workflow, we'll see all the same information that you would see once you submit a workflow. Once the workflow is launched, you'll receive a notification in Slack with this information. In the notification, it'll show that a new contract was launched with you as a participant. You can see the current stages in review, what the contract type is, and who the creator was. There is also a link that you can click to take you right back into that workflow in Ironclad. Let's see how other notifications may appear in Slack. Let's add a comment in the workflow in Ironclad. And because we've configured our notifications for workflow comment added, we'll be able to see in Slack that we now have a notification that there was a comment left on this workflow. Again, you can click on the link to relaunch the workflow. And that's Ironclad's integration with Slack. For more frequently asked questions regarding the Slack integration, please visit our Integration with Slack FAQs Help Center article.